So without further ado, I bring to you my show. You about to witness hip-hop in its most purest, most rawest form, flow, almost flawless, most hardest, most honest, known artist. Chip off the old block, but old Doc is act. Looks like Batman brought his own Robin. Oh God, Saddam's got his own Laden, with his own private plane, his own pilot. Set the blow college, dome room doors off the hinges. Oranges, peach, pears, plums, oranges. Yeah, here come my inches away from you, dear, fear none. Hip-hop is in a state of 911, so let's get down to business. I don't got no time to play around, what is this? Must be a circus in town. Let's shut the shit down on these clowns. Can I get a witness? Hey, oh yeah. Let's get down to business. I don't got no time to play around, what is this? Must be a circus in town. Let's shut the shit down on these clowns. Can I get a witness? Hey, oh. So skip to your loo while I do what I do best. You ain't even impressed no more. You used to it. Flows too wet, nobody close to it. Nobody says it, but still everybody knows this shit. The most hated on out of all those who say they get hated on in 80 songs and exaggerated all so much they make it all up. There's no such thing like a female with good looks who cooks and cleans. It just means so much more, there's so much more people when you're rapping and you know what